Axie Infinity has been a newly emerged player in the world of crypto. With very little time in the market, this game has shown some very promising patterns. Being said, investors are getting curious about the future of Axie Infinity. What's next for Axie? What can one expect out of his investment in Axie? These are some questions that are roaming around in the heads of every crypto investor. Well, if you're one such active investor, then this video is going to be the perfect place for you. So sit back and stay with us till the end as we break down the future of Axie Infinity for you and tell you if it's a profitable investment or not. Sounds interesting? Well, let's get started. Also, we're giving away $25 by the end of next month to our one random subscriber to start them on their crypto journey. To enter, all you need to do is like the video, subscribe, and comment on your favorite crypto coin in the comment section down below. So without further ado, let's dive into the topic. Cryptocurrencies have gradually spread in the mainstream consciousness and gained traction. However, many of them have not stood the test of time and will continue to do so provided it's mass adopted. When a revolutionary property steps in, it is possible focusing on what the masses crave: fun. Through entertainment, one can focus on creating more wealth, which became apparent when the Axie Infinity protocol was invented. An in-game token means that Axie Infinity Shard token has been specially created with a handful to offer an eclectic mix of crypto and gaming interests. All the benefits of playing are built on blockchain algorithms where anyone can earn tokens thanks to their game acumen, creating more interesting ways to earn. Before getting started with actual Axie Infinity price predictions, check out the overview. Founded on the interests of the gaming, cryptocurrency, and blockchain industries, Axie Infinity is built on the Ethereum network. And this is not all. There are countless ways to earn Axie, but as part of cutting-edge technology like blockchain rewards players for joining, completely unprecedented but in the world of Axie Infinity. So get ready to join the play-to-earn revolution called Axie Infinity. Inspired by the Pokemon identity-based universe, Axie Infinity allows users to earn tokens that show the ability to game, battle, collect, nurture, and build a land-based kingdom for animals. All Axie assets or genetic data are simply extensible by third parties, allowing the entire ecospace of developers to find the base of our tools and experience. Recently founded in 2018, although the Axie protocol is still in its infancy, Axie has ranked the #1 Ethereum game and remains the top choice of daily, weekly active users, and monthly. As a major revenue generator for Ethereum, Axie Infinity has generated over 6,400 ETH to date. On the one hand, Axie symbolizes the era of gaming and entertainment. On the other hand, it reflects the value of social responsibility, in that it creates job opportunities for the masses and builds a strong community environment, setting the path towards a sustainable foundation. Users can own the original Axie Infinity tokens of the Axie market, collect them, and use them in an ever-expanding game universe. With a market cap of $2,686,832,085 and a trading volume of $2,097,401,279, the current price action of Axie Infinity reflects a moderate correction. The price of AXS is around $44, and there are many good reasons to surprise users according to the latest news updates regarding the NFT boom. Axie Infinity has a current circulating supply of 60,907,500 AXS, and the founders of Axie Infinity are optimistic that as a leader, mass adoption of Axie Infinity holds a lot of promise for fans according to their technical analysis. Axie Infinity has great support from its parent Axie Infinity Foundation that contributes significantly to crowd sales. However, going by the technical price analysis, the Axie Infinity ecosystem has shown tremendous potential, consistently demonstrating the hidden potential. AXS today shows a major recovery, showing quite a bullish pattern boosted by strong growth despite the adverse cryptocurrency market trends. Competing with counterparts like Stellar and Ethereum, Axie Infinity volatility is an inherent property of Axie Infinity, and so any sort of far-fetched price prediction would be a daunting task. However, according to experts' forecasts and price assessments, the mood seems to be quite positive. Since last month, the Axie Infinity price has been reflecting a terrible bull run. Will the latest advancements help AXS prices trade higher? Let's continue with the unbiased crypto forecast for the AXS token. Since the beginning of this year, the bear market on Axie Infinity has been going on. The token has been trading around its support levels, but it has marked huge upside momentum from last month. This digital asset is set to break all barriers and perform superbly, extending its key resistance as noted above if the market turns favorable. Overcoming all restrictions in the coming year, AXS is sure to rise and sign of good luck for its user. Backed by powerful smart contracts, the Axie Infinity price could easily hit the key resistance of $65 by the end of 2021. Considering there are no sudden surprises or a thorny road ahead for the crypto market, the AXS token is all set to assert its strong position as a major attraction for crypto markets with users. The road ahead is full of petals, provided investor confidence continues to explode, leading to a massive push that has seen the Axie Infinity Shard's price break through all barriers, hitting the $80 mark. Axie Infinity has established a fast, reliable network and works on the user experience of the product. These features could help the AXS coin rally much higher to $96.80. If the momentum for functional crypto continues into 2023, the AXS price could even skyrocket in terms of model, and users could reap substantial profits. There are quite a few Axie Infinity forecasts for the token, especially following the technology and progress announcements that the company has designed. There are assumptions that the AXS price could reach $120,145. The advantage has been taken by features, mainly security and scalability. Attractive promotional projects can do the rest, making investors profit. AXS is active in community initiatives, considering they're maintaining momentum to earn significant market capitalization. Their initiatives focusing on education, outreach, and innovation could take them to a significant $140. In a long-term scenario for Axie Infinity's forecast, say around 2026, the AXS token price is set to pick up the pace with other cryptocurrencies to reach a clear $160 price point. An amazing optimism is also anticipated for AXS, mainly due to its steady performance over the years. Axie Infinity will be stable to deliver stellar returns to its investors. Based on the data, it can be predicted that investing in Axie Infinity in the long term is possible. Long term, we'd say Axie Infinity price forecast for 5 years or more. Well, that was today's video, guys. Thanks a ton for watching it. Let us know how you liked it in the comment section. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned as we bring more intriguing content to your screens. Till then, stay tuned and stay healthy. Peace.